What's up, guys? It is the Gaming Shark back here with another video. But today we have a little different game, Toca Kitchen. So let's play. So here we have a lady with brown hair. Then we have a guy with brown skin and really weird hair. And then we got a Yeti. Let's go with the Yeti. Salt. Okay, so let me give him a corn. He loves corn, right? But what's that? Put it in there. Put the corn in there too. Put some lemon on them. Throw this black thing. Ew, it looks so disgusting. Ew. And this is green. Okay. The button. And then we got some ketchup. Ew. Okay, this one started to look normal. That one started to look normal. So, let's go here. Do that. Don't go now. See if it's dry. Drink it. Which is good. Look it up. Look it up. I have some pineapple, and now I need an apple. Or do we have an apple? Oh, this counts as an apple. Let's put. Better eat it. So now we're on this guy. He looks like he's Mexican. Sorry for my face cam. It looks blurry because I need a light. I need a light. Okay, this guy has a really cool hair. Let's give him a watermelon. You want a watermelon? Do you like it? Watermelon is good. How about a peach? If you don't like this, I love peaches. Yeah, you love peaches. You're better. Yeah, you're better. Yeah, there we go. Nice, like smooth is all done. Okay, wait. We can cut them all. I'm cutting them. Now we need peach. Now we're cutting. Now we need a watermelon. Watermelon! Okay, let's go down. There we go. Now let me poke them on in here. Okay. Look at this black thing. Look at that! Now let's put some salt. Oh, salty. It's gonna be salty. Wait, that too. You can see them. Ew! It's put all ice cream. Ew! That's so. Eat that. Eat that. Okay. Maybe we're recording much. 20 minutes. So we have 2 minutes of her. That's it. Yeah, I could leave that up here. Battery charge. Okay. So let's do some spaghetti. Get some spaghetti. You gotta deep fry it. I think you gotta deep fry it. But you gotta deep fry it. No, you don't put it in the deep fryer. It's not toasted. Next skip. Eat it. Okay, and mix it. Okay. Or eat onion. Mix with spaghetti. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, smash that like button. I want 10 likes. Please. I want 10 likes. Please just give me 10 likes. So, bye. Peace.